Okay. Hi, Jamie. Hey, guys. Welcome to Shepsclassics Tier 1 6-box half case break. We're going to go ahead and finish off the right side of the box. If you guys have any trouble seeing me, let me know, and we'll go ahead and get the camera adjusted for you. All right, guys. Oh, there we go. All right, guys. Good luck. I'm hoping for some monsters. Hi, sweetheart. Daddy's doing something, okay? Okay, here, I'm going to give you a quick hug. Mwah. Love you. Okay, Daddy's got to go.
Daddy, there's a monster one.
There's a monster?
Yeah, there's
I hope.
a monster card right there.
Yeah, there's a monster in one of these boxes, too.
Yeah, there was a monster one.
All right, box number 1, Tier 1. What's up, Wayne?
No, it's like chicken. James and who?
Well, that's a pretty good cat.
I love you, but you got to go.
That one's got that extra relic.
I don't know. So if this is your first time with Tier 1, you're looking for 3 hits per pack. Every 4th box is gonna have an extra hit in it. It's supposed to be a relic. All right, so starting off for the Tampa Bay Rays, on the rise autographs, number 356 of 399, Chris Archer. Ooh. Going to the Angels, my favorite player of all time, number 178 of 299, crowd pleaser autograph of Jim Abbott. For the Padres, a Tier 1 relic, numbered 134 of 399, Yasmani Grandal. And in the back, there's your extra relic for box number 1 from the Pirates, number 73 of 399, Tier 1 relic going to Andrew McCutchen. Yeah, that Abbott's a cool card. That is box number 1. Here you go, Justin. Thank you.
Jeez.
All right, guys. Box number 2. I actually get really excited opening this stuff. We bought a case the day it came out. We cracked it, and I was very pleased. We're going to open it just a couple of boxes to see how it was. We ended up opening the whole 12-box case. All right, pack number 2. Oh, we got something big in here, ladies and gentlemen. That's a pretty thick, holy moly.
And there's a redemption right after that card.
I don't know what to show you guys first.
The redemption.
Wow. Who's got the Indians? The Indians up? Well, I think the Indians got this for a steal. Hit number 1, number 97 and 99, Texas Rangers. I usually save the... Unbelievable. Careful, Justin. I usually save the redemption for last, but this is huge. Dual auto of, and before we do this, it's always the person who...
Paid the most.
Has the biggest... I don't think this is going to be a problem, though. The biggest... Wow, I'm all flustered because of this card back here. The biggest... Anyway, dual auto, Prince Fielder, and Al Kaline going to the Tigers. The biggest investment in the break, that's what I meant to say, because I just wanted to show you the bat knob going to the Cleveland Indians. 1 of 1, Ubaldo Jimenez. Bat knob, number 38 on the end of the bat, Ubaldo Jimenez going to the Indians. That is a sick pull.
We should open those boxes.
Are the Indians here? That is nuts. Honey, look at this. Man.
I'll go show them.
Bat knob. That's how we do it at Shepsclassics. Box number 3.
We should have opened them.
Yeah, we should open a lot of stuff. Wow. Well, that is a sick card. That's awesome. All right, guys. I couldn't even read the redemption. Oh, this is a good card. Going to the A's, number 14 of 25. It's the Copper Rose ink signature. Going to the A's, Yoenis Cespedes. Those are pretty rare. Going to the Cardinals, number 131 of 299, crowd pleaser autograph, Alan Craig. Going to the Cardinals. And in the back again for the Tigers, number 37 of 50, Al Kaline, dual Tier 1 relic. Nice pull. Tigers doing well.
No, the Indians are doing well.
Box number 4.
Dang. You said it last night that there was a bat knob.
I had that feeling. I had a feeling there was a bat knob in there. Man. All right. Wow. Again, going to the A's in box number 4, number 320 of 399, Josh Reddick. Going to the Indians again. Jeez. Number 153 of 299, crowd pleaser autograph, Albert Bell. And to the Reds, Aroldis Chapman, Tier 1 relic, number 40 of 399. Aroldis Chapman going to the Reds. Box number 5. When I say we pulled some monsters, I wasn't expecting a bat knob. Hey, oh, never mind. All right, guys. It's a thick pack, too. Wayne, you got the Indians? We got 4 in here. Hit number 1 going to the Tampa Bay Rays. Alex Cobb on the rise autograph, number 351 of 399. Ooh. To the Rangers, I know that one went for a pretty penny, but it was worth it. Derek Holland, Silver Signings crowd pleaser autograph, numbered 4 of 10 for the Rangers. Going to the Cubbies, number 306 of 399, game used jersey Tier 1 relic of Starlin Castro. And your 4th relic, your bonus relic, Evan Longoria. Going to the Rays, 267 of 399. That's your Tier 1 relic, Evan Longoria. Last box, guys. We are going to be doing, next week, we're going to be doing 6 of these. And I think I'm going to go to full case breaks. What's up, Mr. 801? Check this out. Is that you? Pack number 6. Reds hit, going to the Reds, Zach Cozart, number 391 of 399. Phillies, 54 of 299, crowd pleaser autograph, Carlos Ruiz. And the last hit out of the case, Tier 1 relic, Starlin Castro, number 91 of 399. Going to the Chicago Cubbies. All right, guys. That's a monster.